Hi friends, I've had some questions about subtracting two-digit numbers and how we do it in class. So I thought I'd do a quick refresher on how to subtract the way we've been subtracting in class, because I know your parents are helping you. And remember, it's a little different from how they learned how to subtract and even how Mrs. Shum and I learned how to subtract. So they might show you a different way, and that's okay. That's just another tool to use in your math toolbox, right? We love that we can solve math problems in a bunch of different ways. So here's the way that we were practicing in class. So I selected 65 minus 23. So there's 65 minus 23. I'm going to decompose each of those numbers, breaking them apart into expanded form. 60 and 5, 23 becomes 20 and 3, okay? And then I'm going to subtract the tens from each other. So 60 minus 20 equals 40. I took care of my tens. I'm going to cross those out. I don't want to think about them again. Now I'm going to subtract the ones place. 5 minus 3 equals 2. I'm not quite done yet though, because now I need to take the two differences I got from subtracting and actually add those together to get the answer. So I have 40 plus 2 equals 42. And 42 is my answer, and I can put that up there. 42. Okay, let me show you a different way. So now I have 65 minus 23. I want to find out what the difference is here, what my answer is going to be. And maybe I don't really want to use subtraction. Maybe I really want to use addition. Can I use addition to help me solve a subtraction problem? Absolutely. Think about our fact families. So I could start at 23 and count up until I get to 65. So 23. And now let's think. I could add hundreds, but that would be too much. I could add ones, but man, that would take all day. So I think I'm better to start with tens. So 23 plus 10 is 33. 33 plus 10 is 43. 43 plus 10 is 53. 53 plus 10 is 63. Now if I add another 10, I'm going to hit 73, and that's too much because I only have to go to 65. So now I'm going to switch gears and start counting by ones. 64 and 65. So now I've kind of created a number line going from 23 to 65. And in order to figure out what goes here, all I have to do now is count up what I added across the top. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. It's pretty exciting. So remember, you can use addition to help you solve subtraction problems. You can use subtraction by breaking them apart into place value. And you can use those fabulous people at home, mom and dad, to help you solve these things. And they might even have another way that would help you. Remember, they learned it differently than I did, and we all learned it differently than you're learning it right now. But we got to figure out what works best for your brain, and it's different for everyone. So having more tools in your toolbox, excellent. So if you have any more math questions or you need more review on anything, please let me know. I'm here for you.